Hi, this is Camilo from Yuan Mei. Yuan Mei Corporation, founded in 1978, one of the major garden watering product producers in the world. We've been providing innovation and craftsmanship in water irrigation products to small firms, and Fortune 500 companies alike are testimony to our products. With our state-of-the-art and innovative technology, we have established ourselves as an industrial leader in less than 40 years. With more than 400 patents around the world, we have one of the most experienced R&D teams in the industry, which help us to keep on bringing our new products always. And this is going to be the unbreakable oscillating sprinklers, which I'm going to show it to you. As you can see, it still works. It will still oscillating. Unbreakable oscillating sprinklers. Yuan Mei Corporation, turn on the green. Thank you.